Always fucking around waiting for you.
Look, right.
Cunt.
Not my problem. It looks easy.
Oh, fuck me, I nearly went over the bars then, you cunt. Just careful, D. Fuck. No, I nearly went over the bars because I couldn't stop there. Just overgrown a bit. Yeah, look at. Can't fucking see. Ow, straight on the inside of the arm. Baka! Baka!
I can feel that now. Quick crease in my arm.
I've got one fucking wrapped in there as well, again.
How are your arms then? That's my mayonnaise injection point.
They just come up with fucking itchy lumps, don't they?
Hives.
Definitely should have just done fucking loads.
Fuck! Cheers.
There's like a definite line in there now where you can see.
Oh shit. There was bite. Get thrown down. Oh! Wow. You good?
Yeah, Sam. Bike went fucking tumbling down.
Sorry.
He's just bit him, mate.
Oh, sorry. I said he doesn't like bikes. I'm trying to get
Yeah, but he's not a bike, mate. He's just bit him.
He might not need it before, but he needs one now.
He needs one now, mate. You can't be letting him do that. Because you could come across a lot worse people in here if he's running around biting them. Do you know what I mean?
It doesn't. It's just I've tried to keep him on the lead away from you.
Muzzle.
But he's been run over twice by push bikes. He's a pup. He's 15 months old. Twice somebody's.
Okay, so what happens if I phone the police now? Means he's bit me.
Police, but I can't do anything.
You can get a muzzle for him. I can't stress this enough. He needs a muzzle.
I'll have to get something over his face, but I can't. He can't.
I understand. Yeah.
He's been run over twice.
I get it.
He just hates
Yeah.
bikes
I
now.
get it. I get he's your dog, but you need to muzzle him.
Well, you should
And you
at least
can't be
warn- you
walking
should-
away if
you
he's
knew-
causing an accident like that.
If you knew he was going to act like that, you should have stopped up the trail and just say, lads, he really, can you just stand back
put
and we
him on
go,
the
not a
lead.
problem.
I put him on the
Yeah,
lead,
but
but I
you
didn't know
brought
where
him
he was
straight
going.
through- you brought him straight through the middle of us. If you just said, mate, this,
You don't like
you
bite.
can't approach,
I
he's
did
a
say
non-approachable
this, like,
Too
dog.
late when he bit him, yeah. Yeah, when he fucking bit him, mate.
said
That's
that
when you said you
before.
don't like bikes.
I said that
You
before.
should just give us a clear warning and we'd have walked well away.
We'd have
so you
moved
could
out of
just
the
give
way.
you a
We're not
clear
dickheads.
path.
We'd have been like, crack on.
We're not arseholes, mate.
But I've just watched that and I've got it all here. Do you know what I mean?
It's all on camera.
That's
So,
fine. I can't
there's
do
two
anything about
options.
it.
We
I've-
either
You could have just let us know.
Yeah.
You should have stopped
I did.
halfway up the path and
I
just said,
said
mate,
he
after
doesn't like
you die,
bikes.
Yeah,
bit
you
my fucking
continue.
mate.
Fuck off. Can't be
I've got
arsed.
him on the
We've got
lead
two
at that
Right.
point.
options. Can
You
we
were
have some
talking-
details?
Obviously, I don't
from
really
you?
want the dog
Stop
to.
talking and listen to me.
Sure.
Can we have some details from you? Or, okay, so what we'll do, we'll ring the police. We've got you on camera. We'll give that to the police. Now put your dog down. I've got 2 Jack Russells myself, mate. I don't want that to happen. Just give us some details. Or we'll just follow you down to the bottom. All right, Sam. Let's just follow you down to the fucking bottom. Ready?
How'd you like your motor cases? Deleted.
Bang! Bang!
That sound. Nice little gash in it though. Ah! Oh, fucking blimey here. Oh,
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
You're right, dude. Just why? Sticky. Oh, nice. He's got camera on as well. Well, may as well make it an hat trick.
you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. There was absolutely no need for me to jump off like that.